Hey guys, it's Joyitohann, and in this video we're going to be achieving this beautiful crochet hairstyle with a pack of braiding hair and flexi rods. So if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, so please subscribe and keep on watching. Thank you. Okay guys, to start off this tutorial, we're going to be needing your pack of braiding hair, brush or comb, your crochet hook, and also flexi rods. My braiding hair is the Xpression rich braid in color 33. And we're going to be dividing this into 3 equal lengths to get a desired look. So we're going to be stretching this braiding hair to give it a more fuller and natural look. We don't want those blunt edges, guys.
Production.
Braiding hair can be a bit difficult to work with because of its frizz. And to control that a bit, we're going to be needing a small amount of any hair cream of your choice to control its frizziness. So guys, for the coils, I am going to be using this medium size flexi rods. We would be sectioning a reasonable amount of hair, not too much and also not too small.
Manny Beats Production.
So we're going to be twisting this braiding hair around the flexi rods. I am twisting the hair as I wrap it around the flexi rod to give it a very tight and neat coil. I didn't have enough flexi rods, so I decided to reverse the hair to leave room for another piece of hair, if that makes sense.
Manny Beats Production.
For the next process, we're going to be setting our hair in boiling water for a minute or 2. After draining, you can either hair dry or towel dry your hair, but mind you, we need our hair properly dried before installation.
Manny Beats Production.
Your hair should be in cornrows before installation, and I'll be laying my edges with this Eco Styling Gel. Look at those beautiful coils. Who said you can slay synthetic hair? After opening up your hair, you would gently want to place the crochet hook into your cornrows. Place the hair in the crochet hook, close the latch, and carefully pull the hair. Then you twist the loop and make a knot.
Manny Beats Production.
As we get to the front, guys, we're going to be making a more natural looking knot, an invincible one. So after twisting, we would be pulling only one piece of hair around the loop instead of two to give it a more natural look. And we are done. If you stayed this far, you are an OG. Let me know if you'll be trying this hairstyle in the comment section below, especially during this quarantine. Decided to give the hair a little trim, but if you liked the former length, it's totally fine. Thank you so much for watching my first video here on YouTube. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe. Thank you.